guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome with a new video. So in this video I am going to share those arithmetic questions which I feel like sometimes I was not able to solve, and sometimes I encounter a new kind of questions, and these are the questions which are from the mock test and some of the practice PDF. And I have included this question in this video because it's like the same situation, like whenever something is important we used to take screenshots in the mobile but we don't open it later. Okay, so it keeps on accumulating in the mobile like the garbage. We never open it, so I don't want that thing to happen with time. I mean, these are the questions I used to write it in the notebook but I never open it. So if I discuss with some people, it boosts my confidence, and also it will be easy for me to remember the logic and the questions also. And it also helpful for you since you are also preparing for the exams, and I am going to share those questions which will be helpful for the exams also. So that's why I'm doing this video. So let's get started. Someone purchased 3 cups of vanilla ice cream at rupees 60 and 5 cups of chocolate ice cream at rupees 150. So if after mixing he sold 6 cups of ice cream at rupees 168, so what is the profit percentage? So here, so you can see, first he bought 3 cups of vanilla ice cream for rupees 60. Therefore per cup the rate will be 20 rupees. Okay, and again he bought the 5 cups of chocolate ice cream, and that too for 150 rupees, and per cup price will be 30. Okay, so therefore the total cost price will be 20 plus 30, that is equal to 50. Okay, and the total SP will be equal to, since they have mentioned that he sold 6 cup of ice cream at rupees 168. Okay, therefore 168 divided by 6 cups into 2, that is equal to 56. And here I will explain you why I have taken it as 2, because whenever we have to compare the profit percentage to buy 2 cups, then you have to calculate the profit only for those 2 cups. So what I am going to say is that assume that you bought 2 pencils, okay, and that too for 20 rupees, and you sell 6 pencils for 80 rupees. But in order to understand what profit you got, you have to sell 2 pencils only. Okay, means you bought those pencils for rupees 20 and you sold those 2 pencils for 40, then 20 profit will be there. Okay, so like that here also same concept applied. Hope you understand this concept. And in the question they have asked the profit percentage. Okay, 56 minus 50 divided by 50 into 100, that is equal to 6 by 50 into 100, that is equal to 12%. Okay, so this is the next question. Sagar completes a work in 30 days, and Sagar starts working and Priya joins him after 10 days, and the whole work gets completed in 15 days. So in how many days Priya can complete the work if she works alone? Okay, so according to the question you can see the Sagar has a capacity to complete the work in 30 days. Okay, so I can assume the total work as 30 here. He starts working alone, and Priya joins him after 10 days, means this Sagar works for 10 days alone. Efficiency will be 1. Therefore for 10 days with 1 unit of efficiency he works for 10 days. Therefore 10 units of work will be completed. And in the question they have mentioned that the whole work gets completed in 15 days. Okay, already the 10 days worked by Sagar, so remaining 5 days left. Okay, and the remaining work is 10 unit minus 30, that is 20 units. So this 20 units of work will be completed by both Sagar and Priya, and that too in 5 days. Okay, 5 days they completes 4 unit of work. That means here we know the efficiency of Sagar, it is 1 unit. Obviously this 3 unit of work is done by Priya only. Therefore we got the efficiency of Priya, and the total work she takes to complete the entire work will be 10 days. And the next question. So Lisha has to travel from Hyderabad to Mumbai which is at a certain distance apart, and 23% of the distance is traveled by bus, and 50% of the remaining by train, and the rest distance, which is 231 kilometer, by taxi. So find the distance between the Hyderabad and Mumbai. Okay, and I'm sorry for the bad handwriting here. I simply scribbled down the question. It is looking like messy, but that's fine. My only intention is to understand the question and also to solve the question. Okay, so here let's assume the distance between this Hyderabad and Mumbai as 100. Okay, so if I take the 100, what will happen is they have mentioned that the first 23% of the distance is traveled by bus. So 23% of 100 is 23, and they have mentioned that 50% of the remaining by train. So now I am left with 77. So 50% means 77 by 2, so which will give you the value in the decimal form. So it is not um, good to solve in the calculation. So I will take the number 200 now. Okay, so 23% of 200 is 46. Okay, that is he traveled it by bus. Okay, and the remaining distance by train, that is half, means 200 minus 46, 451, 154. Half means 77. So the remaining distance will be 77 minus 154, that is 77. Okay, but in the question they have mentioned that the rest distance, which is 231 kilometer, traveled by taxi. So here this 77 is equal to 231. Therefore the total distance will be 231 divided by 77 into 200. 7 11s are 7 3s are 7 3s are 11 3s are, this will be 600. Therefore the total distance between the Hyderabad and Mumbai will be 600 kilometer. And that's it for today. And since the video will become long, that's why I have solved only 3 questions here. And also, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe my channel and follow for more videos like this. And I have many videos like this in my channel. You can visit them if you like this, because there I have discussed many arithmetic questions which have appeared in the examination and the mock test and other practice PDFs also, so that it will be helpful for the all kind of prelims exam. So do check it once if you liked this video, and thanks for watching. Do subscribe my channel for more videos like this.